How to install the Google Play Store on your Windows 11. Hey guys, and welcome back. On today's video, we will discuss some of the process by which you can install the Google Play Store on your Windows 11. So for this, the number one step would be checking your Windows version. For this, you can type in system information on the search bar. Unfortunately, you have to make sure that it is Windows 11 Pro or higher. Windows 11 Home does not support the necessary virtualization features. Now that this is done, you have to now enable Hyper-V and Virtual Machine platform. For this, you just have to click Open, turn Windows feature on and off. It'll ask for permission, tap on Yes. Now from the list, you have to search for Hyper-V and Virtual Machine platform. Click on OK and wait for the features to be installed. Restart your computer when prompted. Third option is uninstall the existing Windows Subsystem for Android if applicable. Just open your Microsoft Store, go to the library, search for Windows Subsystem for Android. If installed, click on Uninstall now. Next option is to download the pre-built Windows Subsystem for Android. So for this, go to the link which is present on the description box, download it, and then extract and install the downloaded file. Once that is done, complete the installation. After that, you must be able to set up the Google Play Store. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.